So you have your screen that pops up when you go to the link that I sent you, and you put in your email address, and then you put in the password for the gallery. In this case, it's the one that I sent you. Hit open gallery, and the gallery comes up. Now you'll see watermarks across each picture. Those will not be there on any prints you order. And you can scroll through and look at the whole gallery. If you click on an image, you can scroll through them one at a time and look at them larger. And what you can do is when you see an image you particularly like, that you're like, oh, nope, I have to have that one, you can star it. You can say, okay, this one's a favorite. You see the little stars down here? You just click favorite, right? You go to this next one, oh, favorite that one, yep. So you go through, and if you see one you're just like, yeah, I need that one, you just click favorite. And you can look through all of them, click on your favorites. And once you figure out which ones you really like, you can go back to gallery, scroll on it. This is the easiest way to do it, in my opinion, to kind of sort through and figure out what it is you want to buy. You can go to favorites. After you've already picked your absolute favorites, you can go to favorites and it just pulls those up. And so then you can click on any one of those and hit like buy photo. And then you put whatever size you want it. Now, if you're wanting to buy a package, and those packages are in the welcome guide that I sent you, but you can hit show discounts. Here are the packages. Essentials, Deluxe, Heirloom, Print Perfect. This one you don't see in the album. It's just an extra one that I put together because I had several clients wanting that type of situation. So let's say you're going to get the Essentials package. In this you get, you need to get at least 6 5x7s, 4 8x10s, and 1 11x14 canvas. Once you put all those in the cart, it will drop down to the package price. So don't worry about the price that you see accumulating. Once you get those things in the cart that make up the package, it will automatically drop down to the package price. Anyway, there's not a minimum order. You don't have to buy a package. You can go through each one and figure out exactly what you want. And as you click on it, you can just keep adding it to the cart. But that's how you get the package discounts, and that's how you order the prints. Then you just check out and go through each one, hit buy photo, buy whatever you want. Just give me a call if you have any questions.